Hello everyone, we will be talking about 12 different things that you should be doing before joining an MBA college, because understand, once you get into MBA college, it becomes there are so many activities there, कि वहाँ पे आपको difficult हो जाता है, to go there and then you start doing things from the scratch. पहले से करके जाओगे, you will have an advantage. So let us see this, all of this in detail. But before I go ahead, a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Telegram, because the link is given in the description. You can be constant in touch with us through our Telegram group. Going ahead, the first point, and this is the most important thing, आप कुछ और मत करो, but make sure that you are doing this point, which is network with the peers, the seniors and all that. LinkedIn पे जाओ, definitely you will find students out there. You can find Facebook groups, network with people. There are a lot of people who have converted, they start making their WhatsApp groups. Network with people, this is very important. When you network with seniors, especially who are already there, people who have passed out from there, they will tell you that how you should be utilizing these 2 years on campus. There are so many activities, what you should do in order to get the best placement, what you should do in order to be getting the kind of specialization that you want. You are coming from a commerce background or engineering background, what are things you should do. So take all the guidance from these people. But this is very, very important. Network with people, talk to people before even you land on in the campus that you see. So what is the first thing that you should ask them is regarding your resume pointer, because as I said, that once you are in the campus, within a week, or 1 month, at max, you will see that the resume building part for summer internship, is getting on started. So this is going to start, within a month, definitely it is going to start. And over there, like, you should know that how do you even make a resume. How do you add pointers, how do you add value to your resume, because understand, before getting into college, whatever competition was there, that competition has now increased when you are in the college now. Now you are in the IIMs, SPG, and wherever you are now, everyone out there is smart. Now among those smart students, you have to get the best possible opportunity. So how do you compete between them? So for that, you should have the correct kind of a resume. So that's the first thing. Start building your resume. At least understand that what can be the different resume pointers that you can have. This you can take guidance from your mentors, your seniors. Switching industry, now this is one of the important points. Like a lot of people, especially engineers, I can say that they are coming from a technical background and they're looking for a switch. They are looking to get into finance or marketing, HR, something like that. So how do you switch industries? And for that, what are the kind of skill set that you should start developing? Let's say you come from a HR, engineering background, or you're looking for a finance internship. Now what you should do, that you get finance internship, in your first year. So what are the kind of things that you should study? What are the kind of things that you should start preparing on? Those things, you have to learn from your seniors again. So ask them about this, so that you get an idea, and start working on that before even you get into the MBA college. Next thing is internship life project. Now this is particularly very, very important. Again, I mean, this is like both for fresher as well as the working people. Let's say, as I said, that you are coming from engineering background, or you're looking to get into finance or HR or marketing, whatever, and you have no experience in that. So when your full-time job was not into any of these things, so it is always better that you get some experience. So get some internship, short internship, this 1 month internship or whatever time that you have in hand. Get some internships in marketing, get some internships, get some live projects, on these different areas, so that you at least have some CV pointers. That actually helps you, for the CV shortlisting. It helps you, get into the kind of profiles that you want, for your summer internship. So, get into those internships, especially for freshers where you don't have any work ex. So it is always good to have, this small set of experience that you can get through internships that you can highlight in terms of your resume pointers there. So this is something that you can go ahead. Prepare on work experience resume. What is this talking about? Work experience resume means, again, connecting with the switching of the industry point. So let's say you're coming from a engineering job, technical job or something like that, and you're going for a finance thing. What in your work experience you can highlight that makes it connect, let's say with finance or marketing or HR? How can you tweak your job description? How your jobs and responsibility that gives you kind of a link, between your profile and the profile that you want. So this is something, that you should start talking to your seniors who will help you. You can also talk to the mentors. You can put comments down down there, okay, we are also there to help you out, okay. And when you are talking about switching industries, so you have to learn, okay, so you should go for these free courses. You can go for any other paid courses also, but free courses are good enough, okay, that gives you good amount of knowledge, okay. This is available on Google, Udemy, Coursera, okay, YouTube, okay, that you have. So put in, okay, effort, okay, for all this, so that you start aligning your profile, okay, for those kind of things. Learn the basics of finance and marketing. Now this is for engineers especially, because they have no idea about how this financing works, okay, about the different marketing fundas. So this is important, guys, okay, because what will happen when you go into the campus, okay, you will find CA students, okay, or the commerce students actually teaching you, and they are already smart because they have done all this, okay, in their commerce, okay, in the undergraduation. So for finance students, I'm not saying very high-fi, but at least the basic level, okay, that what is the balance sheet, okay, what are the assets, okay, liabilities, at least get the basic understanding of it, okay, in place, which gives you an edge, okay, or rather you can say a head start, okay, when you get into the campus, okay, you at least know some basic things to get started off, okay. And again, I mean, you are going to work a lot on Excel, Word, and PowerPoint all through your 2 years of your MBA. So in case you're not well versed with it, okay, someone who's already having a work ex might be well versed with things, but freshers especially, if you're now not well versed with Excel, okay, Word, PowerPoint, okay, advanced level of it, okay, please start working on it, okay. So go for a course if you want, okay, enroll for a course, but start learning. These things are very, very important, okay. In case you get into a college and you find, okay, it's difficult to work on Excel, PowerPoint, okay, and Word, so understand your deadlines will be very stringent, okay, and you will face a lot of difficulty to meet your deadlines there. So this is there, okay. Start reading business cases, okay. Another important point, all your MBA education, okay, is purely based on the business cases. So you should have a habit of reading them, and this is completely different. You must have not gone on through business cases before doing an MBA. So go through business cases, okay. The Harvard Business Review cases are available on the net. Just get an idea, okay, what are these business cases all about, okay. Start reading business newspapers and books, okay. You have to develop that habit of reading, okay. In MBA you have to read a lot, okay. I mean, reading cases is there, and then reading, being updated with things, because every day, okay, you'll have different kind of corporate interactions coming in, and if you're not updated with things happening around in the business world, then you will, okay, be not in the at the top of the race, okay, that is there. So yes, be very much updated. So build this habit of reading business newspapers, okay, books, novels, and all that is related to business topics, okay. That will help you a lot, okay. And okay, college committees, a lot of students, okay, eventually land up in some other committee, okay. Know about the college committees, okay, through Pagal Guy threads, okay, through YouTube, okay, or through Facebook groups, okay, or any of the, like, you talk to the LinkedIn, through LinkedIn you talk to the seniors, get to know about different college committees, what are the different committees, what is the value addition that you can have through being in a college committee or not. So yes, okay, this is also one of the things that you can start exploring, okay. Start knowing about corporate competitions. A lot of placement happens through this also, guys, okay. So yes, you should explore this part. I mean, this is not specific to your campus, but other than campus also, okay, what are the different competitions you have? Deloitte has Maverick as a competition, okay. HUL is there, okay. HUL brings Lime is the event there, okay. So Mahindra War Room is there. Many such corporate competitions are there, okay. So start moving about it, okay, because during your MBA you should utilize, okay, you should take part in different corporate events, okay, and be a part of it. Try to win these competitions, okay. Through this you build a lot of network, as well as your chances, okay, of getting better placements, okay. Your employability factor actually improves a lot. So अगर आप ये सारी चीजों पे काम कर रहे हो, these are 12 different things, okay. I know, I mean, you can say that, sir, there's a lot that you have told us to do, but if not everything, at least start with the first point, which is networking. And yes, okay, I mean, people who invest time right now will make, will be in a very, very good position, okay, when they are on the campus, okay, over there, when the competition is there. So in order to beat that competition, to get the best kind of internship, because in your internship, if you are getting into a good brand, good profile, okay, there's a very high chance that if you are able to, if you're doing good there, you'll get a PPO. So understand, your placement thing is sorted in the first year itself, okay. If you get into a good brand, okay, good profile of your dream, let's say you want consulting and you crack a consulting internship, okay, and you get a PPO. So second year, placement headache is not there, only because you've already, cracked a PPO, you already have done it in your first year itself. So for that, you need a head start. if you start doing all of this on campus, you might face difficulty there, okay, but utilize the time, have good time with your family, relax yourself, okay, because MBA is going to be hectic, but at the same time, if you can utilize, okay, your time by working on these 12 things that we have given you, this is definitely going to help you a lot, okay, guys. So please like the video, share it with the other students also, okay, who have converted some of the other colleges, okay. This is definitely going to help them as well. All the best.